This tutorial is about installing the required simulator for 8085 programming. So in a web browser of your choice, which happens to be Mozilla Firefox in my case, you just type GNU 8085 and here you will get it on the very first link from sourceforge.net. This is the best website to download open source softwares, and GNU 885 is the simulator which will be required for 885 programming. So just click on this link and this page will open, and from here you just click on download, and after this page will open. It will say download of GNU 885. It will start in some seconds and it will ask you to save the file. Just make sure that you just click on this and click on OK. This file will be saved somewhere. Just open this file. On opening this file, you will see that it is written that project management for GNU Sim 8085 has moved to launchpad.net, and then they have provided a link from where the software can be downloaded. So just copy it, and after copying it, paste it into the web browser again. You will see a page like this, and you can choose out of many available flavors. Since I am working on Windows operating system, so I will choose from Windows installers. There are two installers which are given. I will choose the installer with GTK. So click on this and save the file. It is a very small file, but it will give very big results. So 7 MB is the size of the file. Save it and it will start downloading. When the download is complete, open the folder where it has been downloaded. Just double click on it and click on OK. It is a double click installation. So click on next, then click on next and then install. So in this way your installation has finished, and just move on to this GNU Simulator 885 from the Windows Start button by typing GNU here. So just click on this and you will see an interface like this. Just close this, and you can also remove this program by selecting it and deleting it. So if you are up to here, you have installed GNU 885 simulator correctly, and you can see there are a lot of things here. There are certain things which are called as registers, and then flag, decimal to hexadecimal conversion, input output ports, memory, data stack, keypad, memory, input output ports. So there are a lot of things. So we will come to them one by one in our next tutorials. So we will first start with registers, and then we will move on to flag and so on. So there are a lot of things to learn, so keep watching our channel for more videos, as we will be doing a complete exhaustive thing on 8085 programming. So thanks for watching this video and subscribe to our video channel.